Hi folks, Louie and Kendry.
Hi.
Epic Mediocrity here with another snack crate.
Another snack crate. Today we're doing the special Halloween snack crate box.
Yep.
So it's all Halloween theme.
It's a black box, so you know it's special.
That's right. That's right. It's a black box, so it's the best kind.
All right.
Period.
So, I don't know what kind of literature is in here. We always just toss it to the side because we don't want to cheat and see what it is. But
Halloween.
Halloween. Okay.
Halloween.
We got to take a picture for the thumbnail. All right. So there's a drink in
The
here.
Halloweeny box.
We're gonna pull that out first.
Okay.
Something to sip on.
I have something to sip on. Thank you.
Oh wow, that's a big one. Oh boy.
Zombie attack.
Zombie attack.
Oh, it's an energy drink. Ew. I don't
Blood
like...
orange and lemon.
That
Energy.
might be okay. I don't like energy drinks usually.
Zombie attack. I was expecting like a little can of soda. Jeez. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh man.
Aw, it's busted.
Sorry.
Mr. Production over here. It's not going to be good because it's not cold for one.
I don't mind not cold.
Plus, it's an energy drink.
When it's red. Ooh.
I don't know. I don't like energy drinks. There's not a single energy drink ever that I've like really enjoyed. Oh, I almost dropped it. Jesus Christ. That was a nice save.
It's not horrible.
For an energy drink, that's not bad. It doesn't have the weird aftertaste.
Yeah. I could tell.
It doesn't have the weird aftertaste that most energy drinks have.
So I could tell this is like one of the independent brands, just by the label. I just tell. Made in, I can't read that. Can you?
Convivo brands.
So it's not
Not in English.
it's not American.
No, it's not in English.
You can tell that because
Because it's not in English. That's how you can tell.
there's the unit right there. So it's half liter.
Yeah, it's
So
not.
I'm not sure where that
it's
comes
not in
from.
English. It's actually good though.
Yeah.
I would drink that. And I am not an energy drink person.
That would give me a heartburn though.
By any stretch of the imagination. I don't like energy drinks because they all have that weird energy blend aftertaste, and I hate it. It's disgusting. But that's actually pretty good.
Screw you, Victoria. See what you did? She's a little slow.
I just read it.
Hateful women in my life, I swear. All right, moving on. I hope there's some really nasty shit in here that she's got to eat. Monster Munch. Pickled onion.
I had a comment for that, but I actually reined it in.
So pickled onion. Potato chips.
I don't like pickled anything besides pickles and pickled beets.
Oh. Yeah. Look at little claws. Isn't that cute?
Aw, they are cute. Ooh, those are strong. And dude, and you were fucking making fun of me for inhaling the Cajun seasoning the other night.
Oh. Yeah. Gross. That was really gross.
You need another one? Drink some zombie attack.
It's a good thing they include a drink.
I don't think those are bad, but oh my god, my tongue is on fire.
No, they're gross.
Those are so acidic. Oh no. Oh no. I can't finish the other piece of it.
Those are gross.
Like the flavor?
It's gross. They're yeah.
There's just too much. Oh gosh. Those are really acidic.
I mean, I think that if you like pickled onion, I guess you're gonna like that because. All right, let's see if we can get something other.
That's really acidic. My mouth's gonna break out. I can already feel my tongue is on fire.
All right.
Oh no.
Cadbury. Goo heads. Cadbury goo heads.
Oh dear. I don't really like Cadbury chocolate.
Nope.
Unpopular opinion.
Nope. I agree. No, I absolutely agree. I'm not big into Cadbury chocolates. Those chips are gonna traumatize me.
Oh, my tongue.
Ooh.
My tongue.
Careful, they split.
I can feel the ulcers on my tongue already.
There's,
They're Cadbury cream eggs.
yeah. Hey, Kyle.
Hey, Kyle.
What is up, brother? What is going on?
Sorry.
Cadbury.
They're Cadbury cream eggs.
Repackaging the same shit. Ah, we love you too, guys.
If you like Cadbury cream eggs, you'll like them.
Yeah.
If you don't, you won't.
All right. These are
Golly.
gummies.
They look like sour gummies. Oh man.
If they are, then you don't have to eat it.
I'm crying.
I will take one for the team real quick. So they're supposed to look like skulls, but they're like so sugary and deformed and yeah. Ooh.
My tongue is crying.
Don't eat that then. Very sour. Good though. Those are good.
I'm gonna do it.
I don't want to hear it later.
Because I'm the queen of bad decisions.
I don't want to hear it later.
Later what?
When you're whining about your mouth hurting. And whine about it, I'll make your mouth hurt for real.
Promises, promises. You think I'm scared of you?
No.
You're right.
No reason to. They're good.
They are good.
They're really good. Mm-hmm. There's a whole bunch in here. That's awesome.
They are good.
They're really good.
And they're really not that sour.
That goes away really quick.
They're really not that sour, but it's still...
Okay, I've been touching this one. I'm wondering what it
You've
is.
been touching it?
Oh, cool.
Those are fucking awesome.
I don't want to eat these.
No, those are so cool.
Creepy gummies.
Look at those. Those are freaking so cool. Oh my gosh.
I don't even want to eat them.
Period, Moses. You are the drag queen of bad decisions.
I just don't even want to eat. But we got to.
Just one. We'll share one. We'll share one. Find which was the least cool one.
Because these are really cool.
Which is the least cool?
That one is a cool one. I like that one. And I like that one.
Okay, so it's between these ones.
Those are awesome. Hey, Michelle.
Really cool looking.
Look at that.
I think this guy looks cooler than this guy. I think this guy looks cooler than this guy.
Okay, I'm with that.
Agree?
Yep.
Do you agree? Okay. These are
We're
so
gonna eat
cool
this.
looking.
Those are awesome.
Those are awesome.
We gotta at least eat one.
Period, Timothy. Period. Timothy's my people.
Happy late birthday, Sheila. I believe it was your birthday. If not, then hold that over.
Happy birthday whenever. Thanks, Sheila.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you. I love the hair color as well.
I'm not sure how we're supposed to get those out. Look at that.
Just go for it.
Grab his ass.
Grab it. Just grab it.
Oh, those are cool.
Okay.
Ooh, they're really mushy. Look at that.
That's a pretty decent gummy.
It's a lot more squishy than I'm used to with the gummy. There's no resistance whatsoever. It just like falls apart.
Yeah. It's a decent flavored gummy.
Those are freaking awesome though.
They're not Wearmark gummy worms.
No.
Wearmark gummy worms are the kings of gummies.
Well,
I don't care. I will physically fight anyone who
Aren't Wearmark
disagrees with
gummies Black Forest?
I don't know.
I think they're Black Forest.
Oh my gosh, Sheila, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Sheila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sheila. Okay. Try to get through this because we both gotta go to bed because we both gotta work in the morning. Uh-oh. That's inventory.
Oh.
Yes, I have to go to work in the morning.
Oh. I was like, you don't have to work in the morning. It's Saturday.
I love cinnamon gummy bears, Timothy. That's like one of my favorite ever. Jackie with 50 stars. Thank you.
Jackie. Thank you so much.
Sorry the alerts aren't working. I've been told that they haven't been working for a lot of people. So I'm sorry the alerts aren't working, guys. All right.
Cheetos.
Pandila. Pandia. The Vampire Chester. Aw, thank you, Jackie.
Excuse me. No, you are amazing.
I don't know if they're actually supposed to look like anything, but they don't. This bag is pretty mangled.
Are they supposed to look like ghosts?
Yeah.
Yeah, and ghosts and bats.
And bats.
They're supposed to look like ghosts and bats.
They're okay. Yeah, see, you can kind of see. Yeah, you can see his eyes there. They're okay.
Those have like no flavor.
They're not Cheetos.
It just tastes like corn.
They're not Cheetos.
Yeah, they just taste like the puffed corn.
Yeah.
I don't know what the coating is supposed to taste like. Some kind of cheese flavor.
Yeah, supposedly.
I basically just taste the puffed corn.
There's a lot of crap in here. All right, we got
Pocky!
Aw, look at that.
We love Pocky.
Vampire Pocky. Quinn eats these things like crazy.
The strawberry Pocky mostly. You wanna play the Pocky game?
I don't know what the Pocky game is. What's that?
You take one side and I take one side.
You take one side, okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's a fun game. Okay, they're Pockies.
It's good.
I'm saving the rest for her. I'm gonna gross out the kids.
That was good. Those were good. We like Pocky.
Oh boy. Oh damn.
Oh no.
Okay, snack crate went
no.
next level. Warheads. Warheads grubs.
The strawberry Pocky is Quinn's favorite as well, Timothy.
Yes.
Oh gosh. I'm afraid.
These are warheads. Hey, Sean. 984.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you.
Yep. So there's raspberry, orange, cherry, apple, and lemon. I'm gonna have an apple one because I know that's the most sour one.
I want a cherry. I'm afraid.
Yeah, they're just
so
little.
Afraid.
They're just little grubs.
I'm so scared.
Okay, here we go. That was Warhead.
They're really not sour.
Actually, really good.
They're not sour at all.
I will eat those.
Like, I don't taste them as being sour, but like my tongue is crying.
They have a good flavor. I like those.
Because like anything that's sour uses citric acid to make it sour.
Timmy 1118, Bevy 998, almost 1,000.
Yeah, anything that is sour uses citric acid to make it sour, and citric acid makes my mouth break out in ulcers.
Jackie,
Which is why I can't eat anything.
Jackie 278, Sheila 948, Sean 984. You guys are amazing. I don't know.
Thank you guys.
You guys. No. Even though I've abandoned you and left you, you guys still stick around.
I know.
I will be back. I will be back. I just don't know when.
Why.
Okay.
More sour stuff.
It's chilies.
It's chilies. It's his cheese. His cheese.
So these are like sour spider legs. I'm gonna guess.
It's a good guess.
Well, cause yeah. They're all glittery and the same colors though. So
Yep.
Ice Smarticle.
You're super smart.
Whoa,
Aww.
Victoria. Now yours is in
Chinese.
Chinese, but not there.
But not there.
So on one screen it's Chinese, and on the other one it's in English.
Yeah.
That is really weird. Thank
Yeah.
you, Laura.
That's Chinese though.
Thank you, Lawrence. We appreciate that. So yeah, they're just little sour strips. Those are more sour than the warheads. Oh, those are sour.
If you like sour stuff,
Yeah, that was a really good one. Oh, all right.
yep. If you like sour stuff, oh no, those are not real. Are those real? Are those real? Are they real?
I believe so.
Oh no! No!
They're sour cream and onion flavor.
No! No! I am too sober for this. No! Oh dear God. Hold, please.
They are real. They are legit crickets. Sour cream and onion cricket. Hey, Bridget. Yeah, there you go. The other green meat. Yep.
I've never eaten a bug in my life.
Yeah, these are honest to goodness crickets.
I've eaten an ant when I was very young. And my brother dared me.
Now, normally we wouldn't do this for free, but since you guys are still around, we're gonna do this.
No, I'm so scared.
Here, I'm gonna give you a little one too.
Oh no.
See, that's one I'm gonna eat. Oh damn, his leg broke. But there's sour cream and onion. You like sour cream and onion. Yeah, they are legit. This is not fake. Okay. Not my first time eating a cricket, but they're gooey and yeah.
No, Moses, no.
No, because they're juicy on the inside. I ate a cricket too, Sheila. Jeez.
Ugh.
They were not pleasant, I'm just gonna say.
No.
There's no sour cream flavor.
No.
There's no sour cream and onion flavor whatsoever. Moving on. Well, we know what her worst is gonna be. That one's a done and done. Ooh, Halloween popping candy.
Hi, Charles. Thank
Strawberry.
you. I'm sorry you came in right when I was eating a bug and it was disgusting. It's Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks.
Oh, dude, I read a fanfic that was, ooh.
With Pop Rocks?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to know.
Save some. You might want to know.
Jesus. So it's got a sucker, and it's got like 5 Pop Rocks. Okay, there's more than 5 Pop Rocks. There's not many. That is literally it. So I guess you're supposed to
Dip your sucker in the Pop Rocks.
Lick your sucker and then dip it in the Pop Rocks and then get more. But I'm gonna try some of
Just
the...
try the Pop Rocks.
These are good strawberry Pop Rocks. A lot of sugar. Then all the sugar. So yeah, just basic strawberry
Pop Rocks.
with the sucker.
They're good.
Yep. I'm not going to get too in depth with that because we all know what a pop rock is and we know what a sucker is. She married one 24 years ago.
A sucker?
Yeah. All right, this one's squishy. Jaffa cake. It's a Jaffa cake.
No, we're not dipping the sucker in the bugs. Stop. The bugs are going in the garbage.
So this is a Jaffa cake. We've had one before. They're all right. This is like really coated.
The bugs. Oh my god. I would rather do the jelly bean challenge again than do the bugs again.
What is on there?
What's this?
This is a Jaffa cake. It's got like some kind of weird, funky.
I'm afraid.
Look.
I'm afraid. I'm scared. What is this? What is this nonsense?
What? Orange. Zesty orangey cake bar. It's stuck to my finger. You can kind of see there's like this layer of orange gelatin stuff on the top. And it's not very good. And then the Jaffa cake's like purple. She really doesn't like it. So it's stuck to my finger.
That's the second worst thing in the box.
It's not very good.
It's not good at all. Oh, that's terrible.
I'm in a mess.
Oh. What a mess. What a mess.
I don't know.
Story of our life. No, that is not good.
That wasn't very good at all.
That's so not yummy.
Yeah.
That is so not yummy.
That wasn't very good at all.
Oh my goodness.
All right, this will make you happy.
More Pocky.
Cookies and cream Pocky.
More Pocky. Yay. You want to play Pocky game again?
Sure.
Okay.
Cookies and cream. Pockies are good. We're gonna set the Pockies aside.
And the Pop Rocks.
I don't know about the Pop Rocks.
Oh, you gonna learn today.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh.
Sorry.
All right, we got a Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Pumpkin Kit Kat.
Pie Kit Kat. I don't know about this.
Timothy, are you insinuating that he's a lady? Because I'm absolutely the tramp. I'm just saying.
You thought you were gonna get lucky.
Okay.
Okay, that's...
What in the Japanese Kit Kat flavors is this?
It tastes like pumpkin pie.
It tastes like pumpkin pie. It's so weird.
It's weird,
It's so weird.
but it's good. It tastes like pumpkin pie. It tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. There's like no...
It does. It tastes like pumpkin pie.
Oh my gosh, how in the hell? Okay, that's like...
Well, I mean, we should not be surprised. Have you seen the list of Japanese Kit Kat flavors?
Yeah.
There's literally like 300.
That is... that.
It tastes
Wow.
like pumpkin pie.
It tastes exactly like pumpkin pie.
I wouldn't buy it
No.
on a normal basis.
I was thinking some residual flavors, some, minor
bingo.
stuff in the background. No. That pumpkin
No,
pie,
that
like,
flat
it's
out
like
tastes like pumpkin pie.
getting hit in the face with a pumpkin pie.
It's pretty good. Like, I wouldn't eat it on a normal basis because it's weird.
Oh, okay. So let's see what else are kind of weird Kit Kat we got here. We got...
Are you sure that's not just more pumpkin
just
pie?
another pumpkin pie.
It's just another
Okay.
pumpkin pie Kit Kat.
Last thing. This is the last thing. Last thing. Yep.
That looks like it's gonna be cinnamony. Oh no, sour cola? What the
Sour Cola Zombie Chew.
fuck? Sour cola.
Yep.
Good job.
It's like a big hunk. Yep. Look at that.
Wonderful.
I'm just gonna take a little piece.
You always want a little piece.
Wow. Ooh.
Oh, that's sour. Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
No false advertisement there.
No, that is so sour. Oh my god.
But I think it's good.
That's the most sour thing. Oh. Out of all the sours, that's the most sour.
I think it's pretty good. Actually.
Wowzers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It's not fizzy.
Oh, wow.
It's not fizzy, baby, but it is sour.
It does not go away.
Oh, it doesn't. It just keeps going. And I had a tiny piece.
I'm not going to say it's bad.
No, it doesn't taste bad. It's just very sour.
Okay. That is it for the Halloween box.
Wow, wow, wow.
So to recap, we had the zombie attack drink, which is not bad.
Not bad.
We've got the sour scale, the gummies, which are pretty good. We had the Cadbury eggs. Really? Come on.
Cadbury eggs.
The Pop Rock stuff. The disgusting pickle onion chips. The no flavor Cheetos.
Yeah. The Warheads.
The Warheads. Which I was kind of disappointed because they weren't really that sour.
They really weren't that sour.
They tasted good, but they weren't sour.
Yeah, they tasted good.
The cool AF bugs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these.
They're so cool.
Look
though.
at 'em.
Just hang them up on the wall, man.
Yeah. Look at them.
They're
Those are like so cool.
looking. We're not gonna eat those.
No,
They're so cool.
those are awesome. We got these sour spider legs, which were,
They were sour.
yeah, they were pretty sour. The pumpkin, the weird pumpkin pie Kit Kats. It's just weird because it tastes like eating a piece of pumpkin pie.
It does.
No kidding. I'm not over exaggerating that.
We have Pocky.
And we had two different kinds of Pockies.
We have this nasty ass fucking cake thing.
The Jaffa cake.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, it was not good. And
then-
the really good, but sour AF. And then the favorite one out of the whole group was the crickets. So what was your least?
The fucking bugs. They were just nope. Absolutely not.
Actually, there wasn't a lot of taste to them, so that part wasn't bad. And I've eaten bugs before, so I've eaten a lot of stuff that
I've put a lot of things in my mouth that I should never have put in my mouth.
I knew that was coming.
That was one of the worst.
But no, those were really disgusting.
Those were awful.
These were absolutely horrendous. Ugh. Those are my least. Ugh.
The bugs are my least.
So what's your favorite though?
Honestly, I wasn't super impressed by anything.
No.
So I'm just gonna have to go with the Pocky.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to go with the Pocky because Pocky's always great.
It wasn't.
We love Pocky.
It was fun to do this and have some different snacks that we wouldn't have ever even tried before. That's why I wanted to get this snack crate.
Honestly, okay, I'm gonna change my mind. Besides the Pocky's great, but I'm gonna actually put my favorite as the energy drink.
Wow,
which is really interesting.
Look at that.
Because I'm not
It's
an
actually
energy
really
drink
good, though.
person, but this is actually really good. It doesn't have the weird energy blend aftertaste. It has a nice like orange flavor to it.
No,
It almost tastes like kind of a mild orange soda.
Mm-hmm. No, I absolutely
So
understand
like
that.
I actually am gonna put this as my favorite, and then the Pockies after that.
So I'm actually gonna say, like, it wasn't a very overwhelming box. Like I said, the fun part was the different stuff that we got in it.
These were really good though too.
I was just thinking about those.
These were really good because they weren't overly sour.
Yeah, but they've got a really good
But
flavor.
they have a really nice fruit flavor to them. As far as gummies go, these are actually really good quality gummies.
Oh yeah, well Scala is a huge brand.
These are really good quality gummies, and I like me some gummies. So those were very good. Those are pretty high up on my list. They probably come right after the Pocky, honestly, for me.
But yeah, I'm gonna go with that's my favorite one though, is the gummies, because they were really good. And then the energy drink, because it was really good.
It's a good energy drink. It really is.
I wouldn't drink it a lot because it would give me heartburn.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because I mean it's orange and lemon. That's
I know.
my most favorite energy drink ever, and the first one I ever had is Nos. But it tears me up.
Oh,
'cause
yeah.
It's so acidic. I get
That's the
heartburn.
thing.
I get heartburn walking into the plant when we're bottling it. So anyway,
Yeah, that's the thing with me too. Is like my mouth is like crying right now because the amount of citric acid that I just ingested from all these sour gummies.
all right. Jesus. Oh. So anyway, guys, we got 4 more to do, but we're not gonna do it tonight.
No,
Maybe next weekend
we'll
or
do
something.
them another night.
But I'm gonna get these 3 videos loaded up during the week at some point. Maybe. I'm not gonna promise anything. But maybe you'll I don't know. Maybe you'll see me again sooner than later. I know I posted a couple weeks ago that I was done streaming for a while, and that's still the plan, but as long as I get viewers and interaction at later times of the night, then I might start streaming again. That's because I can't stream until, I gotta get dishes done, I gotta get dinner made for everybody,
Yeah,
stuff like that.
He's got to do the stuff that I usually always did because I'm not
Which is
home.
fine. That's my share, and has taught me a lot, and that I need to share more often. And once we do get back to normal, our normal will be a little bit different for now on, because I appreciate everything she's done for us over the last 24 years. So, dude, Timothy, I can't get one out of bed. One of them works just as much, well, more than I do. So I'm not really going to ask him for anything.
Yeah.
Because he actually gives us money.
Christian and I work basically the same amount of hours. We're both working 12-hour shifts, 6-7 days a week. Like, ridiculous amounts.
Christian's working
Christian
a ton of
works
hours.
all the
So
time.
I'm not going to ask him to do anything. The other one just, I don't know. And then Quinn just, they're not worth arguing about, because it would just be an argument all the time. They do help me every once in a while cook dinner and stuff. So, but anyway, hopefully, I'll see you guys soon. I'm playing Rust and New World right now. That's about the only things I'm playing. So, if you want to come out, hang out, and chat, be on the lookout. Maybe I'll be on. Maybe not. I can't promise anything, guys. But we do appreciate you guys hanging out with us tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, guys.
Love to see you guys.
We will do the other boxes another night, hopefully this next week, so that we can just get caught up on them, because we had them all sitting here forever. So hopefully we will get those done another night soon. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, thank you guys. And then Lawrence, actually, our company disbanded, so we kind of combined into another company just because we couldn't get participation. But anyway, you can message me or whatever and tell you where we went. It's a pretty cool group of guys that we joined up with. So anyway.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Timothy.
Yes.
Love seeing you guys again. I have missed you guys, honestly. Like, I'm not into gaming anymore. Streaming doesn't do anything for me. But, like, I've been thinking about doing some more videos for YouTube. But I don't think it would be anything that you guys might be interested in. I mean, maybe Moses. But, but thank you, guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. It was super fun.
Yep. Love you guys. We appreciate you guys, and as always, please remember, be cool to one another.
Bye.